You're watching the Tish 21.
Pushed a little bit too much on that one.
That was crazy.
Heel toe coming in. Checker flag. Taking a beating today, boys. Holy smokes. Put it in work though, can't lie.
You saw that rubber come off there?
Yeah. Quite a bit.
Alright guys, so we just finished that absolutely crazy set of laps. That one I'm pretty sure was on camera because I saw it recording at the end. But if you guys saw the last bit of sending we were doing, Indy 500s, yeah, Indy 400s now. Indy 200s now. I think the left side's okay.
You're on the apex.
Yeah. Yo, it was like right at the edge. I had the back end swinging all the way to the side.
It's like go flying in the air.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at that. It's a whole piece missing for the tire. I've never seen a tire do that before, ever.
You have warranty on that?
Right? Well, test will reach like 125 Celsius by the end of the sliding and shit. Hell of a lot of fun. I can't believe my first track day and it went that well.
Yeah.
Can't complain. Yeah. No, the car's not supposed to be that low. That's the wheel spacer. Lugs sheared clean right off. The rotor's sitting in the inside of the barrel. Ooh, there you go. Careful, it might snap down.
The quarter panel.
Yeah. Of course, a crazy, perfect track day would end with this bullshit where my lugs decided to back off and I'm surprised this wheel didn't come off. Look at this shit. The lugs are gone completely. The rotor is at the bottom of the wheel and that's the wheel spacer tucked into the side. Unreal. It's basically pushed the fender out a little bit too. Holy shit, I'm actually lucky to be alive right now, boys. Managed to stabilize the car. My guy O'Shane came through to help pick through. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll go for that diff. I bought an impact gun to torque those lugs off?
Yeah. No problem.
Look at all the metal shavings coming out. How bad's the rotor? You might need to push the dust shield back, right?
Yeah, that's fucked.
Oh, the hub's fucked. Is it gonna hold the wheel?
It should.
You have lugs? Yeah, incredibly lucky right now to be able to mount this wheel back on. Hopefully I can drive on this home at least and avoid calling a tow truck. It's crazy, like look at it. Like we thought the entire time we were hearing vibration, we thought it was because of this, which happened at the track. Complete failure of the tire. And the vibration was actually on this side. So let that be a lesson to torque your wheel lugs. Usually after every track session you do, or at least after every set of laps, to check the torque on your lugs. More importantly, maybe don't track with spacers. Alright guys, so we took the spacer off on that side and both of the wheels in. They didn't go in that well, so I don't know how about the threads. We're gonna have to see on that one. It might be absolutely destroyed. But time to see if we can get this car home now. Oh my god, thank you Roshane. We're back on the road. Pretty good actually, car's driving pretty nice. Can't believe we just put the wheel back on and we're back on the road. Unreal. Oh my god. Alright, let's just get this thing home for today. That's enough.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.